Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a to-do list on ClickUp. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're in the home page, click on spaces in the middle right here. Now in here, click on add space and create a new space. I'll go for my space and click on create. Now after that space has been created, open it up just by clicking on it. Now once you're here, click on this plus button on the top right, click on it, and in here click on create a list. Now name this list to-do list, and after that click on create. Now after the list has been created, go back to the home page and in here click on this create button at the bottom right, and in here click on new task. Now name this task something. I will go for car wash. Click on add assignee and select yourself, and after that select a due date. I will go for, let's say, tomorrow, and click on done. And in here in the select a list button, click on it, and in here select the space that you just created, and in here select the to-do list, just select it, and after that click on create, and that task would be added to your to-do list. Now in order to access your to-do list, click on the space that you just created, click on to-do list, and in here you will have your to-do list and the task that you just added. So that is how you can create a to-do list in ClickUp. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a to-do list in ClickUp. Now once you're in the home page of ClickUp, click on create space at the left side right here, click on it. Now in here name that space. I will go for, let's say, my space, and after that you can add a description. I will make it private as we're just creating a to-do list, and after that click on continue. Now in here select starter, and after that just simply scroll down and click on create space. Now once you're here, click on list. Now in here you can rename the list by just clicking on this list settings button, and in here click on rename and remove it. I'll go for to do list. Now after the list has been renamed, click on add task right here. Now in here name the task. I would go for, let's say, a walk, and after that you can add a description. Now in here select a due date by just clicking on this due date button right here. And after that let's go for, let's say, Friday. Now in here make sure that this task is added to the to-do list that you just created. You can choose the location by just clicking on it and choosing the list that you just created, and after that click on create task. And as you guys can see, a to-do list has been created and a task has also been added. So that is how you can create a to-do list in ClickUp.